Sri Tyagaraja, also for his love for Lord Rama, dedicated his life to singing, composing songs in praise of Lord Rama, and the compositions are popularly known as Utsava Sampradaya Kritis. Today we do have two volunteers or sannyasis who will come to all of you, and please give the Bhiksha and collect blessings from them.
Namaste everyone. Now it's time for Uchavritti. While doing Uchavritti, we are going to play Ramanama Japa in the background. Kindly maintain absolute silence. When once you are done with Bhikshe, please remain seated, close your eyes and listen to Ramanama Japa. Pavanji and Pramodji, they are going to come to your place.
Sorry. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ನಡ ತೆಲುಗು ಹಿಂದಿ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ರಾಮ ಜಯ ಜಯ ರಾಮ.
Utsava Sampradaya Kriti that we will be performing today is Karuna Jalade, composed by Saint Tyagaraja, a popular composition in Carnatic music.
praising Lord Rama and expressing devotion and supplication to him. It is composed in the raga Nadanama Kriya, which is Mayanadava Gaulajanya, which is tranquil, meditative and introspective, evoking a sense of serenity and contemplation. The Kriti is set in Aditalam and is composed in Telugu.